Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about Heatmap. So first of all, we are going to import necessary libraries: Seaborn, Matplotlib library, Pandas, and NumPy. Then we are going to set style for a better visualization. We are going to have a white grid. Then we are going to have the random seed 42. So 42 is an arbitrary number. We can change it. It can be 50, for example. But having this number is useful. Having this line of code is useful actually, because whenever I run the code, when I have this line of code, I'm going to have the same data whenever I'm running the code. So for example, you see this is my heat map. I run the code, I have the same output. I run the code, I have the same output. But if I comment this line and I run the code, now we are going to get, each time we are going to get a new data. So you see the data changes. This is why this line is going to help us to have the same data every time that we run. So we are not going to generate a new set of data every time we run. So I'm going to keep that. Then I'm having the 10 by 10 matrix being randomly generated. The data is assigned to data, and you see that it's 10 by 10. So from 0 to 9 for the x-axis, and from 0 to 9 from the y-axis. So it's a 10 by 10 matrix, and the size of the figure is 8 by 6. And here we are calling the heatmap function from the Seaborn library, and we call the data. And also we are having the color map to be viridis. So this is the color that we see here. I'm going to talk about the other options that we have. Then, so the heat map is created now. We have the title here, the basic heat map with random data, and we are calling the show function from the Matplotlib library. And when we run the code, we see the output. But instead of having this color map, we can change it to other colors as well. So another option is plasma. So you see that the data color has changed. So this is plasma. We could have inferno, for example. So when I run, you see that the colors are different. And we have magma. So when I run, you see magma. This is the color. And finally, we are having the cividis. So when I run, we see that here the color changes. So depending on what we are looking for, we can modify that as well. But in this video, we learned how to have a basic heat map with random numbers for a 10 by 10 matrix with random values. Thank you for watching.